Hello, future electrical engineers. It's time to charge up your knowledge in this electrifying session of circuit explorations with STEAMspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, your navigator through the complex yet fascinating world of electrical circuits. As always, if you need to jumpstart your understanding of circuits, don't forget to check out our introductory resources linked above. Now let's get amped up for the challenge ahead. In the lab today, we've constructed a unique circuit designed to shed light on our understanding of parallel and series connections. This circuit, which you can see illustrated here, includes a battery, 3 light bulbs, and a switch that controls the flow of electricity. Your task: students are challenged to modify this circuit to explore the outcomes of different configurations. They must determine the results of opening the switch and disconnecting at various numbered positions. So go ahead and ponder this question. What will happen if the switch is opened or if the wire is cut at the numbered positions? Select 2 correct outcomes based on the circuit design. Choose 2 correct responses. A. If the switch is opened, all bulbs will go out. B. Cutting the wire position 1 will cause only bulb 1 to go out. C. Cutting the wire position 2 will leave bulb 1 lit, but bulbs 2 and 3 will go out. D. Cutting the wire position 4 will cause bulb 3 to go out and bulbs 1 and 2 to shine dimmer. Engage with these guiding questions. Investigate. Examine the circuit diagram. How are the light bulbs connected relative to each other and the battery? Analyze. Predict the flow of electricity. What happens when the switch is opened? Consider. If one bulb goes out, what do you expect will happen to the others based on their configuration? Evaluate. Reflect on the points where the wire could be cut. How does each potential cut affect the circuit? Let's carefully scrutinize the circuit and hypothesize the function of each component within this electrical network. This is your moment to shine, so channel your inner scientist and apply your knowledge of series and parallel circuits. Record your responses and the thought process behind them, and prepare to share your electrifying insights. Let's embark on this circuit quest with a spark of curiosity and a current of enthusiasm.